so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and look at where we're at. Yeah, today we're at the MK Nature Center in Boise, Idaho. Wow, and this nature center is actually part of the Idaho Fish and Game. Wow, today you and I are gonna learn about some native animals to Idaho. This is gonna be so much fun. Let's go. Whoa! Oh, hey, who are you?
Hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome to our visitor center.
Wow, cool, nice to meet you. I'm Blippi. Whoa, well, how do you explore this place?
So what you want to do is you want to follow the animal tracks along the building, and then you want to go outside onto our nature trail and visit outside.
Whoa, cool, binoculars. Wow, well, thank you so much.
Of course, have fun.
See ya. Whoa. Whoa, look at these. Whoa, they look like birds' nests. Wow, there's different types in here. One way up there, and it's really small. Ooh, and one way down here on the ground, but it's really big. Hey, that's interesting. Different types of birds put their nests at different heights. Whoa, hey, and speaking of differences, look at how neat this one is. Yeah, a bird made that with its very own beak and feet. Whoa, and down here, whoa, this one is made out of feathers. Wow, yeah, they use their own feathers. Whoa, and this one is really sloppy, but it definitely still holds eggs. Yeah, birds use nests like a home. Yeah, they lay their eggs in the nest, and then the birds hatch, and then the birdies can fly. Hey, why don't we head outside and maybe later, maybe we'll find a nest. But let's just go explore. Whoa, this place is awesome, and it's so much fun following these footsteps. Whoa, look up there. Whoa, a bighorn sheep. Yeah, I can tell why they call it a bighorn sheep. Yeah, because it has big horns. Whoa, and those are actually horns, not antlers. Yeah, horns always stay with the animal, but antlers, yeah, they shed them every single year. Whoa, cool, see ya. Whoa, speaking of antlers, whoa, look at this elk. Wow, this is a Rocky Mountain elk. Do you see the antlers? They're so big. Whoa, and so pointy too. Yeah, every single year, this elk, yeah, it'll shed its antlers and grow new ones back. Whoa, super cool. Whoa. Whoa, check it out. Yeah, a grizzly bear. Whoa, and do you see how big it is? Whoa, it's so fierce. Whoa, and I know it's a grizzly bear because it's brown and it's so big. And oh, another sign is, you see that bump on its back? Yeah, they dig so much that then they grew a bunch of muscle. Yeah, and it has a bump on its back. Yeah, and its head, it even has a little ridge. Yeah, like a snowboard jump. Whoa! Yeah, but these grizzly bears, they're way up north in Idaho. Yeah, they don't come down here near Boise. We're safe here. Whoa, speaking of bears, look at this one. Whoa, this is actually a black bear, but it looks like a brown bear or a grizzly bear, doesn't it? Yeah, because it's brown, it's actually a black bear. And black bears can even be brown. Whoa, and they love lots of food. Yeah, they eat meat. Ooh, they even eat berries. They might even climb up in the tree and eat some honey. Speaking of honey, do you hear that? Yeah, I think I hear bees. Whoa, let's follow the footsteps and find those bees. Whoa. Oh, and look down here. Yeah. Do you see this hole? Yeah, that's where the bees are coming from. Whoa, and those honeybees look like they're just working. And do you see how I'm not getting stung? Yeah, it's because I'm being nice and gentle. I'm respecting them, yeah, and I'm giving them some space. I just wanted to say, hello. All right, see you later, bees. Whoa, they nature is amazing. Whoa, look at this. Ooh, looks like we have some owls. Oh, that's so silly. Whoa! Whee! Yeah! Whoa, I'm having so much fun today, aren't you? Yeah! Wow, look at this place. Ooh, looks like a lot of water around here. Whoa, look over there. Whoa, do you see that? Yeah, it looks like a dam. Yeah, I can tell because there's some water down below. Yeah, and then there's some water up above. I bet some beavers built that dam. Yeah, beavers love to build dams with all those logs and mud and leaves and branches. Yeah, and then they go underneath and then they dig some stuff out and then they make what's called a lodge. Basically like a home. Whoa, really cool. Whoa, look over here, some animals. Whoa, quack, quack, quack. Yeah, those are ducks. Yeah, those are actually mallard ducks to be exact. Whoa, oh yeah, do you see that one? Yeah, it has a green head on it. Yeah, that is a male duck. And the duck that is all brown, that's a female duck. Whoa, so cool. Yeah, ducks love to swim on top of the water. Yeah, and then some dive down underwater to catch some food, yeah, or vegetation on the bottom, and then some stay on top of the water and then just tilt and then eat. Oh, so cool. Ducks are awesome. Yeah. Whoa, check it out. Look at this. Whoa, it looks like a giant fish. Whoa, it is so big. Yeah, this is actual size. And this is a sturgeon. Whoa, sturgeons are massive. Whoa, I wonder if I'm as long as a sturgeon. Let me see. All right, here we go. Am I as long as a sturgeon? No, it was longer than me. Whoa, this is such a big fish. Yeah, sturgeons love to hang out at the bottom. Yeah, underwater. And then they're actually really, really old. Well, not all of them, but they're ancient fish. Sturgeons have been on our planet since the dinosaur times. Whoa, those are some old fish. All right, let's see if we can find some more fish. Whoa, check it out. Yeah, back there's a pond. And then it's full of water, obviously. And there's these glass things right here. So then we can peek underwater into the pond. Come on. Whoa, yeah, there's fish in there. Whoa, hello. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Whoa, do you see those fish? Yeah, those are called rainbow trout. Whoa, and they're so colorful. Maybe that's why they call them rainbow trout. Yeah, because they look like a rainbow because they're so colorful. Whoa, check this out. Whoa, yeah, we have some fish snacks. Whoa, they actually gave me permission that I can feed the fish. All right, are you hungry, fish? Here you go. Yum, yum, yum. Whoa, they're definitely hungry. Whoa, there you go. Whoa, whoa, look at them go. Okay, here's just a little more for you. Whoa, there's even a duck up there. Do you see it? Hello, duck. Yeah, that's a mallard. Hey, here you go. Cool. Whoa, check it out. Do you see this? Yeah, this is a bald eagle's nest. Yeah, it's a replica of the largest one ever found in the United States of America. It is so big, huh? Wow, bald eagles are so cool. They come back every single year to the same nest. and they keep building and building and building. Hey, remember earlier how we saw all those other nests? Yeah, it's really cool how every bird has a different type of nest. Whoa, hey, will you act like a bald eagle with me? Yeah! Whoa! That was so silly! Hey, why don't we keep exploring and maybe we'll be able to meet a real bird? Yeah, let's go! Oh, oh, this is so cool! Are you having a great day? I am too! Whoa, look at what it is! Whoa! Hey, who are you?
I'm Mariah.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Blippi. Who's your friend?
This is Wilson.
Oh, hey, Wilson. Wow, what a cool looking bird. What kind of bird is Wilson?
Wilson is a peregrine falcon.
Whoa, a peregrine falcon. Whoa, Wilson looks very fast. How fast does Wilson fly?
Wilson can reach speeds of 214 miles per hour.
Whoa, 214 miles an hour? Wow, that's about 350 kilometers an hour. Whoa, how old is Wilson?
Wilson is 7 years old.
Whoa, 7? So old. Wow. Well, it was nice to meet you, Wilson. And nice to meet you, Mariah.
Nice to meet you too, Blippi.
All right, see you later. Bye-bye. Whoa. This has been such a fun day. Whoa. Oh, there's a little Tweety bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Cool. Whoa. It's been so much fun hanging out in the wilderness with you. Wow, I sure do love nature. Yeah, there's water. Oh, it sounds so nice. Oh, and there's some birds. Wow. Oh. Whoa, cool. Whoa, have you been having fun? I've been having so much fun with you too. Wow, I sure do love learning with you. Wow, and we sure did learn a lot today. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. And this place is where kids can come learn some circus skills. Yeah, I'm so excited. Let's go.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today I'm at Synapse Circus Center in Auburn, Washington. Whoa, look at this place. Wow, it is so colorful. And this place is where kids can come learn some circus skills. Oh, hey, who are you?
I'm Coach Crystal, and I'm going to teach you some circus skills today.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
The first thing you have to do is take off your shoes.
Okay, I gotta take off my shoes. Okay, here we go. 1 shoe, 2 shoe. All right, now that my shoes are off, now we get to learn. Whoa, check this place out. It's so cool. Looks like we have a lot of cool things over here. Whoa, yeah, looks like juggling balls. We'll get to those later. Feathers? What are these doing here? It's so silly. Whoa, look. Looks like tight wires. I am so excited to balance on these later. Wow, a trampoline. These are so bouncy. I really want to jump on this, but I probably shouldn't until I warm up and stretch. Yeah. Whoa, look at this. Looks like a bar that you can hang on. Whoa. Oh, an aerial fabric. Wow, what color is this? Yeah, this is the color purple. Oh, and over here, another one. This is the color yellow. Okay, enough playing. Let's get warmed up so then we can stretch and have some fun. Oh, hey!
Hi, Blippi, you ready to warm up?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, we're going to run to the blue wall, and then we're going to run back to get our buddies all ready to go.
Okay.
Ready? Let's go!
Check it out, I'm running. Whoa!
All right, let's make our circle in the middle of the floor.
Okay.
Arm circles backwards. We have to get our arms all ready to hang on the aerial fabric and the trapeze.
Wow.
All right, let's go forward now like you're swimming.
Okay, check it out. I'm making big circles with my arms.
All right, let's sit down in our butterfly. Put your toes together and make a butterfly.
Whoa, check it out. I'm flapping like a butterfly. Yeah, butterflies start as caterpillars. They go through metamorphosis, and then they become beautiful butterflies.
Okay, close your wings and squash them flat. We're gonna blast off to the moon. Grab those toes. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Whoa!
All right, we're gonna do it one more time. This time we're gonna start at 3, 3,
3, 2, 1.
blast off!
Whoa! Yeah!
All right, go ahead and stand back up. You feel warmed up?
Yeah!
All right, let's go do some circus stuff.
Woohoo! Let's go! Whoa, that was really good. Did you see how high she was jumping? Yeah! Whoa! And look at what she's doing. It is so cool how kids can come here and learn circus skills. Whoa, look at her! Whoa! She's using that aerial silk so good. Check it out. Wow, look at this area. This is so cool. Do you see these big pieces of paper behind me? Yeah, they have things written on them. Yeah, like goals. And once you accomplish that, you get to write your name on the board. Let's check it out. Straddle up in the air. Whoa, that means all these people that wrote their names on here, yeah, they accomplished that. Like Neil, Alyssa, Jonah, Zoe. Wow, good job. Whoa, let's see what else. Wow. Straight leg cartwheel. Whoa, that's hard. But look at all the people that did it. Whoa, that is so cool. Ooh, 6 club passing. Wow, now that is hard. Yeah, not one single person accomplished it. Whoa, that's crazy. I have an idea. What if I pick one of these and try and accomplish it today? That sounds like so much fun. Oh, here we go. Stand up with no hands, forward roll. Oh, that seems fun. It's like a somersault, but then at the end, when you stand up, you can't use your hands. Yeah, I think I should try that. This is gonna be fun. Yeah, I did it!
Here's the pen. You can go write your name on the board now.
Really? This is awesome! Oh, yeah! Whoa, yeah! Okay, here we go. Now it's time to write my name. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Wow, that was awesome! Yeah! Whoa, check out this area. There are so many cool things. Whoa, what are these? Wow, kind of looks like a rainbow. Whoa, yeah, we have some purple. Whoa, purple rings. Whoa, check it out. Then we have some blue rings. We have some green rings. We have yellow. We have some reddish rings. They kind of look orange. Let's just say they're red. And we have some pink rings. Whoa! That is so cool! They're so colorful! Hey! What shape is this? Yeah, a ring is a circle. Check it out! Whoa! Maybe I can juggle with these. Here we go! Whoa, whoa! I dropped one! That's funny. Check it out. You can even spin them on your arm. Whoa! What if I tried that with a lot of them? This is gonna look so cool. Ready? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! That's fun. Check this out. This is called a pancake flip. You can practice by going like this. Yeah. Try and make it flip. And watch this. Yeah, I did it! Okay, let me put these back. Can't forget this one. Okay, now that those are organized and put back in their place, maybe we can use other things. Whoa, like this. This looks like a peacock feather. Wow, peacocks are so pretty. Huh, have you ever seen a peacock before? Wow, yeah. They can spread their wings out and it looks so graceful. But today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this peacock feather and try and balance it. Okay, put it on my finger. Whoa! Check it out! Yeah, I'm balancing it. I'm trying not to drop it on the ground. Whoa! You can do it by standing in the same area, or maybe I can do it while moving. Whoa! Whoa! This is hard! Whoa, check this out. Ready? Let's try and put it on my nose. Whoa! Whoa! I'm balancing it! Whoa! 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 Yeah, that's so silly. Wow, balancing is so much fun. What else do we have here? Oh, looks like we have some, some rods, and we have some plates. How many plates did I grab? Yeah, 1, 2, 3 plates. And what colors are these? Yeah, blue, red, yeah, and yellow. Okay, let's take the blue one, which is one of my 2 favorite colors, and give it some spin. Whoa, there we go. Yeah, you see it spinning and balancing? Yeah, well hey, these plates are plastic. You definitely shouldn't try this at home with your plates at home. If they fall, they'll break. Whoa! Yeah, these are circus plates. Whoa! Spin, spin, spin. Ready? Whoa! I'll try that again. Whoa! Did you see that? Here we go. Oh! Whoa! Oh, okay, I won't try it again. Okay, let me put these back and see what else we have. Wow! Check these out. So many juggling balls. Yeah, you know me. I sure do like juggling, don't I? Yeah. Okay. Oh, they're so colorful. Check it out. That one reminds me of a bee. Yeah, bees are so great because they make honey. Yum! I love honey. Okay, looks like this is red and black and blue and white, green and black. Okay, I'm gonna pick 3 of these. How about these 3? All right, ready? I'm gonna start on my knees and start to juggle. Whoa! Juggling is so much fun. It's pretty tricky though. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But with a lot of practice, you can do a lot of cool things. Yeah! All right, now watch this. I'm gonna juggle this many. Ready? Okay, this is gonna be really tricky. Here we go! That was so silly. All right, I should probably pick these up. All right, let's see what else is over here. Whoa, check it out! Hula hoops! Yeah! I love hula hoops! Yeah! Let's grab a few of these. All right, come on over here. Wow, I grabbed 3 hula hoops. Yeah, what colors are these hula hoops? Yeah, this one is orange, yellow, and red. Wow, what a cool hula hoop. Yeah, and this one, yeah, is blue and a shiny silver. Whoa. Hey, what's your favorite color? Wow, that's a great color. My 2 favorite colors are blue and orange. And this one, yeah, is the color purple and the shiny silver sparkle. Yeah, let's use this one. All right, gonna first try and spin it on my arm. Whoa, 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 yeah, wee, woohoo. Check this out. Yeah, all right, here we go. I have an idea. Now that they're on the ground, I think we should spread them out and try and hop through them. Yeah! All right. How about like a frog? Ribbit. 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 Yeah, good job. This has been so much fun learning all these circus skills. Yeah! Whoa! Check it out. Yeah, remember this? This is the tight wire. Whoa! Yeah, and you and I are gonna try and balance on this. It looks really hard because how small it is. Whoa! All right, let's try this.
All right, step right up here onto this platform, and then you're gonna stand up so tall and walk through the rest.
All right.
So I'm gonna be right here in case you fall.
All right, perfect. Here I go. Whoa. 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 Oh, I fell. That's okay. I'll try it again. Here we go. Whoa. I fell again. That was so much fun, though. All right, let me try for a third time. Here we go. I got this. Whoa, check it out. I'm really doing it. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, I did it. Did you see that? Yeah, that was really hard. And it feels so good to accomplish something that was extra hard. Good job. Okay, first I'm gonna start with a roll. Here we go. Whoa! All right, now for the balancing. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Now for the arm walk. Here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah! Wow! This has been so much fun! Yeah! But this is the end of this video! If you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Woohoo! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today I'm at Chocolat in Leavenworth, Washington. And today, since you and I ate our vegetables, we're gonna make some chocolate and caramel. I am so excited. Let's go! Hey, who are you?
Hey, Blippi, my name's Andrew. Welcome to Chocolat.
Nice to meet you. What do you have here?
We have all sorts of truffles and bonbons, all handmade right here on site.
Wow, they look so tasty. Look at that. Oh, I just want to eat them all up. Whoa!
What do you say, Blippi? Do you want to make some chocolates today?
Yeah, let's go. Whoa, all of these candies look so yummy. Hey, and did you notice how all of these have different shapes? Yeah, let's check them out. Whoa, do you see this one? What shape is that? Yeah, look at it closer. Yeah, that is a square. Yeah, and it's really cool how all of these have different fillings on the inside. Ooh, look at this swirl. Wow. Yeah, what shape is this? Yeah, it's a circle. Perfect, good job. Ooh, wow, a sign of love. Oh, so cute. What shape is this? Yeah, it's a heart. Whoa. Ooh, and these are really cool looking. Wow. Yeah, it's not a normal shape. This is a unique shape. Yeah, and this thing? Yeah, this thing is unique to every single one. Yeah, this is a leaf. Yeah, every leaf has different veins and different structures, and every single one looks a little bit different from each other. Whoa, look at these. These even have little pieces of gold on them. Wow. Yeah, what shape is this? Yeah, it's another leaf. It's from a different type of tree, I'm sure. Well, they all look so yummy, but I can't eat them yet. We have some more learning to do. Yeah! Whoa, check it out. Here is the kitchen. Yeah, I am so excited to make some chocolate. Okay, first thing I need to do is put on an apron. Oh, yeah. This is worn to make sure that your clothes do not get dirty and sticky. How do I look? Yeah, I look ready. Whoa, not ready yet because we need to wash our hands. All right, it is very important to wash your hands if you're going to work with food and make candy. Yeah, perfect. You have to scrub them, get underneath the nails. Okay, now we get to rinse it off. All that soap. Oh, yeah! You're nice and clean. Perfect. All right, here we go. All right. Oh, hey, look at who it is. Who are you?
Hi, I'm Carissa.
Oh, nice to meet you. What are you doing right here?
Well, today we're making some caramels.
Ooh, caramel? I love caramel. Have you ever had caramel before? Yeah, it's so yummy. Will you show us?
Sure thing. Let's go ahead and make some.
Wow, this caramel looks so yummy! So the caramel cooled in the caramel frame, and then we cut a square or rectangle out of it, and And then we're going to use this guitar cutter. Yeah, to mark the caramel. So we're gonna line it up just like this. Push down slightly. There we go. And what I'm trying to do here is mark these lines. Yeah, just like that. So then I know where to cut later, okay? So how does that look? Huh, that looks pretty good. All right, let's turn the caramel. And then let's do a cross cut. Awesome. Yeah, perfect. Look. Whoa, do you see all the miniature squares in it? That is a lot of caramel. And now, for one of my favorite parts, we get to put chocolate on them. Whoa, I love chocolate and I love caramel. So what we're gonna do is take these caramel pieces and dip them in chocolate and then sprinkle some sea salt on top. Yum! Okay, let's set that down right there. Let's take the fork. Let's grab this piece. First, you need to dip the fork in the chocolate. Yeah, here we go. And we have a little chocolate right there. Put the caramel, dip it in, and then you start tapping. Yeah! Wow, that looks so good. All right, a little bit more. Okay, you don't want too much chocolate on that, or else it'll be a goopy mess. So, put it down, just like that. Oh, not the best, but not too bad for my first one. And then let's sprinkle some salt right on top. Yeah, perfect. All right, let's try another one. That was fun. I am so excited to try these later. Wow, how do those look? I think they look yummy! All right, I am so excited. So Carissa made us some chocolate bar molds. Yeah, with some dark chocolate. That looks so yummy. And then we get to use some of these toppings to sprinkle on top, put it on the inside, and then when it cools, we get to eat them. Okay, first let's make a healthy one, okay? So how about let's take some of these almonds. Okay, and then we have some cherries right here. Oh, this is fun. It's like decorating, but decorating with food. And then, how about some pistachios? Yeah, pistachios is another type of nut. Yeah, that one looks like a yummy and pretty healthy chocolate bar with nuts and fruit. All right, okay, how about another one? This one, let's, yeah, I think we should have some marshmallows. I love marshmallows. Okay, now we can use some peanut butter chips and sprinkle them on top. Yum, this is gonna be so yummy. All right, and then let's use a little bit of pretzels. Wow, this is so much fun. All right, there we go. And one more. Perfect. And then let's do a couple banana chips. Have you ever had a banana before? Yeah, a banana is a type of fruit. Yeah, they're pretty yummy. And banana chips are really yummy too. All right, that one looks good. So let's do the last one. And let's have some fun and put some colorful sprinkles on it. All right, here we go. Okay, now we're gonna need to put it in the fridge to cool down. There we go. Yeah! Wow, that was so much fun decorating those chocolate bars with you. Well, now we need to wait some time to let the chocolate cool. What do we do? Okay, I think that's enough time. So let's go get the chocolate bars. Whoa! Look at them! Wow! Okay, now let me knock them out. All right. So, here we go! Whoa! Look at them! They're perfect! All right. Here is the first one. Wow! It looks so yummy! And here is the second one. Whoa! Yeah! Wow! This is so much fun. Oh no! I broke it! Oh, that's okay. It's still gonna taste just as good. I am so excited to eat these. Yeah! Wow! Check it out. Yeah, we did such a good job. Whoa, check out this room. Looks like they have a lot of boxes in here with some ribbons. Ooh, a bunch of stickers. Wow. Oh, hey, look at who it is. Hey, who are you two?
I'm Tilly. I'm Molly.
Oh, nice to meet you two. What are you two doing?
We're boxing up some chocolates.
Ooh, can I see?
Sure.
Did you see how they put the rest of the chocolates in the base? And now they're putting the tops on. Check it out. And do you see what they're doing now? Yeah, now that the boxes are fully enclosed, now they're tying ribbons all around it to make it look pretty. They did such a great job boxing up this box of chocolates. Do you like it? Yeah, it's so yummy. But hey, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right, now it's time to eat some chocolates. Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today I'm at Woodland Park Zoo in Seattle, Washington. I am so excited to learn about penguins. Whoa! Look at these animals. Yeah, these are penguins, and they're actually Humboldt penguins. Oh, they are so cute. Hello. These penguins, yeah, their native land is Peru and northern Chile. Yeah, that doesn't sound like a cold place. Those countries are actually really warm. So these penguins live basically in the desert. Look at this penguin. This penguin likes my suspender. Tickles. Hey. Oh, this penguin is so soft. Yeah, since penguins are birds, they have a lot of feathers. And these feathers are really small and dense on its body. Oh, hey, cutie. And do you see its wings? Yeah, its wings actually are more like flippers because then they can swim super fast in the water. And actually, penguins actually can't even fly with their wings. That's okay, because you're a really good swimmer. Whoa, check it out. Do you see how this penguin doesn't have stripes? Yeah, there's just teeny little black dots. Hey, and the one right behind it, yeah, there's those big black stripes. That one is an adult. So front one is a child, and the back one is an adult. Whoa, hey! They're almost the same size though. How are you? Are you having a good day? 'Cause I sure am. Whoa, do you see these penguins? Yeah, they look like cute pets, don't they? Yeah, but they're actually not. Penguins don't make good pets. Although they're nice, yeah, they're living at this zoo so we can take care of them. And we can learn about them. And the more we learn about these cute Humboldt penguins, the better we can take care of their cousins around the world. Whoa, penguins? Yeah, we're behind the scenes at the aquarium, and we're gonna meet some penguins. Come on. Okay, let's walk nice and slow, and we'll be very quiet as well. Ooh, hey, who are you? Hutch. Ooh, this is Hutch. Hey, what do you do here?
I work with the penguins and reptiles.
Ooh, the penguins and the reptiles. Oh, do you see the penguins back there? Oh, hello. Are these your only 2 penguins here?
Oh no, we have more friends that are coming. If you'd like to grab a toy, we're actually going to play with them.
Sure. Okay, let's grab a toy and let's see some more penguins. Look over there.
Really like a lot of movement with their toys. So we have Violet that has already come over to say hi.
It looks like it's enjoying my shadow, huh?
That does happen. So penguins really like contrasting colors. They also can see colors really well. They have rods and cones in their eyes, just like we do.
Okay. They're kinda, although they're birds, they're kinda acting like kitty cats, huh?
Just a little bit. They do like to play with a lot of different types of toys. And just like kitty cats, they tell us when they want to be touched.
Okay. Huh, interesting. This is pretty cool. Hey, get a closer look. Oh, bye-bye. Penguins are so silly. So where are these penguins from?
These penguins are from South Africa. And we have 32 of them here at the aquarium.
Wow, 32 penguins here. And these are from South Africa? Right? Not Antarctica?
Not Antarctica. They're actually one of several species of penguins that prefer a warm climate.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Interesting. Warm climate and penguins. I guess you learn something every day. Okay, let's take a seat right over here. And then Hutch is gonna bring a penguin over. I'm so excited. I get to touch a penguin. Ooh, hello. Okay, so I'm gonna touch the penguin with 2 fingers gently on its back. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Oh, it felt so soft. Did you know penguins have 70 feathers per square inch? Yeah, they're really small and really dense. Can I touch it again, Hutch?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Does that feel good? You like that?
She's showing off for you.
Ooh. What does that mean when she shakes her head?
So that means she's really happy, and you might be her new boyfriend.
Ooh. I hope she doesn't want to kiss.
Hey guys, we're getting ready to feed the penguins today. So we have some of their favorite fish. These are called ocean smelt, also known as silver sides, because they have that silver stripe on their side.
And I have herring. It's silver like an anchovy and sardines, just like they eat in the wild.
Okay, you guys ready to eat?
Steven's hungry.
Ooh, I'm gonna try and feed the penguins. All right. Whoa, look at these fish. Whoa, if I was a penguin, I would sure want to eat this. Okay, here you go. Oh, here you go, penguin. Here's another one. Hey, there you go. Oh, that one must be really hungry. Okay, here you go. Alright, so these fish are a lot smaller. Here you go. Oh, perfect. You want another one? Here's another one. Okay. Excuse me, penguins. Here you go. Oh, here you go. Oh, you're hungry. Yeah, fish are nice and healthy for these penguins. Ah! All right. Yeah, just like how we eat fruits and vegetables. Yeah, they love fish. How about you? You haven't had one? Oh, whoa. There's so many penguins that want food. There you go. Oh, whoa. All right, there you go. That one right here is so hungry. They have gotten so many of the fish. Oh, here you go. Whoa. Okay, penguins, get ready. Whoa, look at all the penguins swimming. Wow, that penguin is so cute. Well, it sure has been a lot of fun learning about penguins with you. But this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right, see you again.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi! Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make